Welcome back to Cooking and Crafting with Laura Ingalls Wilder. Today, we're going to be making fried cornmeal mush. For our materials, we prepared hasty pudding, and we will have a link for the video on how to make it. You're also going to need bacon grease and a spatula and a pan. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn our pan to medium. Then we're going to take a tablespoon or two of bacon grease and slap it on the pan. You know when the pan's ready when your bacon grease starts to smoke. While you're waiting, we are going to cut our hasty pudding that has sat in the fridge overnight, and we're going to cut it into squares. We are starting to see a little bit of smoke on our pan from our bacon grease. So we're going to take a square. Ooh, it feels.
Yep.
It's gonna be cheese. It does look like cheese. And it feels like cheese too. We put a splatter guard on because it was popping everywhere. You can see this is a really simple and easy leftover dish. That's probably why it was such a common breakfast for the Ingalls. They look done, so now we're going to take them off. This was like a grit pancake. Now we're going to try them. They taste like pancakes for some reason, but there's no gluten. It's a gluten-free pancake. Hi everybody, I'm going to try some of this. Good? I don't really like the texture, but I guess it's okay. Is it good? Claire made it.
Oh, then.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.